Gentlemen in the mix.
Just close the fucking door. Close the door.
Man, I didn't even do the owl now brown cow thing. It's so early. Good morning, traders. Welcome to the stream. Wow. How about 4-hour bearish divergence can just get destroyed? Yeah, nice. That's what we were hoping for. No edge on the daily for downside. And now here we are, pretty much at multi-year highs. As I'm speaking to you, 51.8. Is this stream on? Can you hear me? Sorry, I gotta do something to wake y'all up, or wake me up. Wake us up. This is real life. This is the earliest stream of 2024. This is the earliest stream we've done since probably the COVID crash. Okay, when, you know, the circuit breakers were going off and it was pandemonium, bearish pandemonium. Bobo asked, will you be in my exit liquidity today since it is Valentine's Day? I got to get Chaylin to make a Valentine's Day themed pump stream. Oh my God, what am I doing? Hold on. We got to nip this in the bud. Give me like 2 seconds and then we'll make it super festive. Super feminine. Because that's what today is all about. Feminine energy, right? You know, the pink. You guys, like one of my oldest overlays like ever. Look at this, chat. Look at this. There it is. There. All right. Wow, music's way too loud. No one's saying anything. This is why people are leaving. Good God. That should be all right. Okay, so we got pumps all across this market, though. Bitcoin is not the only one. All right, we got Bitcoin on the top screen. You'll see it forever. Let's go to Ethereum. It's doing things 2763. Highest level seen on this asset since May 5th, 2022. And guess what? Working on breaking the supply line of this mega channel. Ethereum's been confined in since its third anchor point in, what was that, Thanksgiving of 2022. And maybe we'll see the 2,900 to 3K target was just the inflection point for mystery. Maybe we're going to see that. That'd be nice. No more Bobo double tops. Remember this guy? Double top. Ugh. You can just get wrecked, okay? Because we got a mega bullish engulfing candle on Jonathan right now.
I like turtles.
But not for me. No body bags for anyone but Bobo today. Excuse me? Ugh, me right now. I can't. Ugh. Meh, yeah. Pathetic pump by the Bulls.
This pump is May going back to sleep.
Pathetic pump. Oh, Mama Ivy.
Since we started out on BitConf, let's go further into crypto.
We're further into crypto right now with Ethereum. Where's the Swiss Miss? Is there hot cocoa on the horizon for Ethereum with puffy jackets and super snooty people eating caviar in the mountains? Or is this just a dream? Because I feel like I'm dreaming right now. Yeah, very cool here. Let's have an alert set up on Ethereum. We got the live price, but we don't have the chart. Can't have all the chart. Maybe I could. Maybe I could have like double action charts at some point to figure it out. Thanks for the $69. It does feel so good. But you know how it is in the morning. It's different than the evening. Your nerves are all like waking up and stuff. Doesn't hit as well. Or maybe it does. I don't know. Valentine's Day pump. Okay. 9 a.m. Yeah, no, that's really late, dude. In Miami, it's like virtually noon. Everyone gets up early here. If you didn't know, it's a big deal. Hey, Chris. Hey.
I thought only us working types were up this early.
Yeah.
6 a.m. stream hype.
Funny, Chris. Bruh. Hey, I'm working class, man. I'm working hard over here. We're pumping the markets, are we not? Okay, so Ethereum did well, of course. And then we've got ourselves the other bigger cryptos that, meh. Sol, it's up there. It's up doing things. Wow, 117.69. Waiting on that 120 to see what happens. Right, that 886. But what a day, you know. I hear Mama Ivy's retired. She took the Alabama taxpayers' dollars and went to Ukraine or something. Oh, wait, that's the swamp. Okay, so great to see one of your largest cryptos, Pump, performing better than Ethereum. Well, right, a little bit better than Ethereum, a little bit better than Bitcoin today. And there are not many others that are performing as well as Sol. But you do have Cardano that did look pretty interesting with the Momo shift. And now we got a break of 56.8 cents. We're going to an engulfing candle. Currently the highest price since January 12th. Okay, the Momo shifts. They're going on, man. FTM, Momo shift? Yeah. It's the dragon into the Momo shift, into the break of the 40.5 cent level. That, remember, you just look left and you understand it's a real importance. Going back to 2021. The dragon. The inverse head and shoulders-esque behavior and highest price since the 12th. Or no, sorry, the 17th of January. Very nice. Very nice development here. VeChain doing things. Yeah.
VeChain doing things.
Wow. Let's go VeChain. Hitting its highest price. I guess you could say since January 2nd. But the Momo shifted back into the hands of the buyers and they ran this thing back above 2.8 cents. Nice. Very nice. You got others though. Avalanche did great. Look, I mean, broke the supply line, back tested it as a demand line, and is now seeing its highest price since January 2nd, man. These things doing things. Yeah, and then you got others that suck. Oh yeah, pre-market on the miners, forget it, dude. Forget it. They gone, man. I think Mara's like 29 bucks pre-market. It might be up more or less, you know, since I last looked at it 20 minutes ago or something, but very nice. And then you just got others that are up. GRT had the same Momo shift, right, as all the others. They're fractals of each other, right? They're just all like homogenous looking A's. You know, if you want me to plot it here too, just been traveling around. We've been doing things, so I can't give love to all of them. But it was there. It's like identical to FTM. Like, wow, look at GRT. Then you look at FTM. It's the same picture. It's Pam Beasley. Wow, great. Hot was, dude. This is like, oh yeah, hey, is it Mookie or is it Mook, man? Dude, this light blinking is blinding
Watching
me
DA drinking
this morning.
coffee and pooping.
Wow. You can troll me? Yeah. Dang, man. It's like, I feel like the meme guy of the bird, you know? He's like a bird in the with Christmas lights. Meme of guy waking up, squinting. This is me. Literally. This is definitely me. Right now. Every time you're doing that, it's like, bruh. Yeah, dude, I'm getting my coffee in me too. I'll be doing the same. On stream? No. Maybe. This depends, man, what Bitcoin does. I might need a depends. Yeah, so Hot had that same little 1, 2, 3, the high or low here at support. It was a dragon, like kind of dragon. It's the year of the dragon. It's the season of dragons on the crypto market. You know, DOT and Momo Shift 2, the spring back test. It's so amazing, man. It's like freaking great, you know. This is the things you want before higher prices. You're always looking for them. Okay, so Algo, not really great. I mean, because if you have this, if you want to invalidate this, Algo has to break 20.6 cents, and so it's not really done
Wake
much.
up.
And it's like BTC, meh.
Is that a joint?
Mama Ivy, thank you so much for the 4.2. 4.2, the joint. Thank you for the joint. Or is that a joint? I don't know, dude. It's too early to know. Uh-oh, Solta. We got some rumors going on. We got some rumors. I'll wait for it to say it. I'm not going to steal your thunder. Engine was a dragon. Nice. Highest price seen since January 13th. Mama Ivy can't believe this news. It was good, man. It was there. There were good things happening.
Rumors of China pushing
Man,
Neo and
light
Neo
blinking in the
Gas.
morning is not
Standard, can we
fun.
check them? Welcome to Central Europe time zone. Smiley face. When Viking Helm stream?
I mean, they're not really doing anything, right? Compared to others. Like Neo. I gotta go all the way down to Rudy Poo Land. Yeah, like nothing really like that great. I mean, like it's like 1 and 2 maybe. Is it like just this massive double bottom or something? It's China to me. China. I don't know. There's just so much crap that has to happen on this. Like, yeah, it could be this massive confirmation low above the 200 moving average, but you got to break like 1266, 1381, then like the $15 levels. I mean, there's just so much that has to happen. But yeah, it could be like Wyckoff accumulation, and you're in the final phases of it, sure. But call me when it breaks these levels, and then we'll talk. I'll have alerts set up, I guess. It just doesn't look like. I don't know. I mean, DYDX is better than this, in my opinion. But, yeah, it looks okay. Neo. There's your Neo, dude. Yeah, I'm awake, Golshi. Can you believe it? Does that piss the Australians off? Are the Australians mad right now? Or are they happy? Is it too late or is it too early? It's always too late or too early for the Australians. No matter when I go live. So, continuing down the dusty old trail here. H-Bar are doing things. Breaking 8.3 cents. It's a real level. It's a very real level. Look, you go back to February 2020. Wow, 4 years ago. Inflection point, resistance, you know? God.
Can we check Sol after 120 and 130 levels?
Please clap. Can we? Can we? Oh, so we're only going to check Sol after 120, 130. We're not going to check it now. Do you really not want to see it now? Again, I'm confused. You might be waking up still too. H bar could have been a dragon, you know, 1 and 2, and then rally. There were better looking dragons, you know, and then there were better looking dragons at or above key levels. This one's just now breaking it. So, Mama Ivy, could you elaborate a little bit? Do you want now or later? Because I don't know, like we gotta wait, man. If you're waiting 120 Sol, $2.20 something cents. Chat, do you want to answer for him? Or her? Sorry, her. Mama Ivy's definitely a woman.
What level, sir, next to Dum Dum?
Oh, sorry. Dude, again, my brain's not even working right now. The next levels, 124, 130. After 130, she said, the governor of Alabama said, well, we look left. So you gotta okay, that's like candle low close there. I think that was like plotted on the weekly 130. Oh, it's the swing low there. But then like you got 143. You got to kind of like say, all right, it's real. Like just like Bitcoin's like stupid 44s and 48s that were like manufactured in April 2022. You got to say Sols there too. I mean, you think that there could very well be like supply there. But like breaking that, I mean, probably 172. $200, big one, yeah, because that's like psychological candle high close back there from December 2021. A lot of catching up to do, right? Because if Bitcoin's trading at its highest level since December 2021, Sol is woefully behind. Like in order for Sol to just catch up to Bitcoin in performance, way behind in the race, the Sol race, right? The horse race. Sol has to go up 68% in value to catch up with Bitcoin in percentage performance, or just running to maybe not even percentage performance, but to just where Bitcoin is trading at from years ago, high to low. Yeah, Bitcoin's exceeding the 618, so that's not too far off. Sol still, if you want to catch up with Bitcoin on performance from its all-time high to its correction low, I mean where Bitcoin is, you still got to go up another 40+% on Sol, so that's good. I mean, they very well could be doing that. Again, Sol is technically up higher than Bitcoin today, percentage-wise. I was streaming in the 1800s. I streamed the Civil War. I actually streamed the War of 1812 as well. It was really good times. Just kidding. It was terrible. They burned down a Capitol, but we still won. How do you think Andrew Jackson got word the war was over? Yours truly. He was watching the stream. Okay. Mama Ivy is gender fluid. Oh my god. Is that real? Must be news. I don't know. She said she might be retiring soon. Yeah, dude. Yeah, we were streaming the gold chart in 1812, same price as is today. Okay, so Sol, I mean, you just got the levels, right? I mean, 130, 143, 198, 216. Talked about the fib nodes. I don't know. Someone could say like 177 if that you know that could vary. October 2021, it was like a temporary peak.
Hell no.
Was it over when the Germans bombed Pearl Harbor? Hell no!
I was there for that too when the Germans bombed Pearl Harbor. Thank you so much, Super American contribution. I don't know what you were gnawing to. Okay, still a little early to know what the gnaws are. And what are you referencing to? There are other coins that have not really done things today. It's kind of pathetic, like ETC. Like, I don't know. I guess, like, you lose, you know, waiting on this. I mean, we're never going to get to the Leroy Jenkins resistance.
32.33 repeating, of course. When I was young, he told my girl cousins I would never be a varsity athlete, and frankly, that was a tremendous blow to my self-esteem.
It's true. ETC does not have the makings of a varsity athlete. I mean, maybe it does. It's above all resistances, but win bids. Never. Never 100 hours. Okay. And this is like the JV team, you know, we're looking at the JV team performance today, like Tezos, JV. But still, like, it's, you know, like, still looks wonderful. What a trend. Love the lack of selling pressure, the key levels. You know, the sellers are failing to test that again, which I think is like strong. And you just gotta wonder, like, what day is it gonna be where you just get this huge green Jesus candle? I mean, highest price today since January 18th, just massively underperforming Bitcoin and many others. Okay. Oh, do we even really want to look at it? Let's go to XRP, bro. Pathetic, dude. I mean, just like, yeah, the harmonic framework's there. Everything you could dream of. Everything. The divergence combination with the type 2 return at the key supports. Buyers defending the key support. But who cares? Literally, who cares? No one's buying it. No one wants to buy it. And it's like, maybe they do buy it eventually. It's going to be like the meme. Like, it's going to just be like this. Okay, eventually... It's gonna be like this, dude. I mean, like, one day, and then like all the XRP like cult members will come in here, and they'll be like this. Like, one day maybe XRP goes up, and then it'll be like, yeah, flicking everyone off, and it's like, wow, you're like literally last place. Congrats. Is this not accurate? This is XRP. That guy. Yeah, the cult member Alex Cobb will come in here. Yeah, dude, and like Bitcoin's up here, like already at 1 million, and XRP's at like finally $1. Like, wow. Should just leave that up, man. That should just be on the stream forever. Okay, great, dude. And then Litecoin will be short. You know, the same guy. What happened, dude? What are you doing? Pathetic. You know, it is interesting that there's a harmonic and there's bring back test. Okay, you're trying to break the 200. But again, it's just like you're like the fattest, one of the fattest, ugliest horses in the race. SNX Wyland? Why have I not heard of this? What's going on? I thought it was on my watch list. It is, but where? Huh? Too early. Oh yeah, Wyland. Oh my god. Oh, and you're talking about like Soul and then like, you know, these wedge patterns. Crazy, man.
Max out credit cards, then buy Amazon gift cards, then buy non-KYC Bitcoin, and then file bankruptcy. Hold for 5 to 10 years and retire.
Not financial advice, Raytoshi says. Thank you for the $5 super chat. Thank you, man. Yeah, we got SNX Wyland out. Those 10 people trading it. No, that's okay. It's like 645,000 volume. But, you know. Doing things, man. And I just saw like moments ago, $4. Just moments ago, saw its highest price since January 2nd. Everything above like 350 was solid, man. You even like broke out, you back tested, now you're going. Super volatile. They're pumping it, man. It must be Wall Street, bro. The street of walls. We'll buy walls. Music's louder. Better. Wait, better, louder. Sorry, I can't read this early. Okay, do we just have an... Oh my god. Ugh. That's some price action. Just saw it. There's like, you know, kind of lack of liquidity around here, I guess. It'd be nice to see Bitcoin doing something like that. No, just kidding. Wait, no, I was kidding, man. Okay, so if you want to look at some pre-market stuff, we can. We hear a beep on SNX, we can freak out a little more. Look at these miners. Oh, Jar Jar coming in hot. Jar Jar Binks, the new antagonist for the new Star Wars movie, but Jar Jar Binks is trans. No, they don't make. If he's trans, he has to be the main character. Never mind.
Can you please check
He's not gonna be the bad
YFI?
guy. You know who the bad guy's gonna be. Oh yeah, you know who the antagonist is gonna be in the new woke Star Wars movie with Jar Jar Binks, who's trans, as the protagonist. You know. Jar Jar, thank you. I guess we'll just look at that. Hold on. Did we look at Jonathan Nation? Yeah, we did. We did. I haven't looked at Wi-Fi in a while, man. Pretty pathetic, dude. I mean, this is garbage. You could talk about dragons, imagine dragons, but yeah, it's back above the key level. It really is. I mean, in the grand scheme of things, if you got time and you got like some extra money, I guess, dude, it's like holding the 200-day moving average is back above. Dude, this is not a joke level. Like they've recaptured it. That's cool. I mean, it's the level of levels from November 2020. Some pretty magical things can happen when the buyers recapture this level. Look what they did in November of 2023. Moon, but then dump. That's as close as you got to the Andromeda Galaxy in a very long time. So back above that, you know, it's really good. But you're just barely above it. That could just be like your first high or low than the previous lows. Yeah. Okay, sir. Jar Jar Binks, thank you for the first super chat. It's the no, it's probably a really good time for Europeans right now. Europeans probably giddy with the stream. Wi-Fi looks like DUIDX. Not quite. I mean, it's okay. It's not. DUIDX is its own thing, man. Like, you don't have that proportionate higher lows, the undeniable Three Rising Valleys stuff. Like, you know, dude, this is like godlike. You have this on the third valley you have it was the dragon. It was a nice dragon, and now it looks so good. I know it's performing pretty bad today, 1.83% up compared to Bitcoin, but wow. You just gotta wait. You just own it. You're sitting patiently and you're waiting for like $7. You got me. Similar-ish, but not really. The only similarity would be like buyers recapturing some key level. That's it. This is just so clear, undeniable Wyckoff accumulation, phase E. Now, we're in phase E. Okay, do you get it? Bitcoin dominance was in phase E, and no one believed me then. And look at you now. We're now in phase E, the date of June 10th of last year. And, you know, just looking at it here, we're still waiting on 60% market cap dominance, but we just wait. It's tough, man. It looks like, dude, there's a lot of confidence. Look, this is what happens when Bitcoin pumps. Like, confidence like starts flooding back into all the markets. So like people are like, okay, it's safer to be speculating on these S coins like Ethereum, Sol, and many others. And so they do speculate and like really good yield on it, like good percentage gains. And so it kind of does this. Oh my God!
I mean, it's legal, right?
Please clap.
Sol L L L L L L L.
Look here. Look, listen.
Appearing offline does not Evan stop it. Let's take a look. 118s. Yeah, my beep didn't go off. I'm like, what's happening? The alert I set is now resistance. Mama Ivy, okay? Oh, dude, I'm so sore. You know what I did? Like, in lieu of breakfast, I just chugged 60 grams of protein, okay? Like, what else am I going to do? Wow, I just got no words, but positive words. Thank you, Mama Ivy, for the 56786. Okay. Happy Valentine's Day. Hope. I don't know who Mama Ivy. Who's Mama Ivy married to? Who is Mama Ivy's husband? Or is she a single lady? Because it's Valentine's Day. How many times has Mama Ivy been married? Mama Ivy has been married and divorced twice. And Mama Ivy has no children. Her first marriage was to Ben LaRavia, and then became engaged while studying at Auburn University. Ivy's okay, all right, okay. So, Mama Ivy chat, single and ready to mingle. Stay-at-home dad. I mean, I know it's a long shot, but you know, could be good. I don't know, Mama Ivy, will you be my Valentine? I think Valentine with an M sounds better. All right, so 118 and change. We didn't hear the beep. You got to wonder what's going to happen on G-Soul.
Engaged. I am so far ahead of anyone my age and now live like a boomer. Thank you, Mitch. You have made TA so clear and fun. Christ bless you.
Greg P, that's great, man. Yeah, it's fun living like a boomer, isn't it? It certainly is fun living like a boomer. And then boomers are like almost mad. They're like, this is so unfair that these young whippersnappers get to live like us. Like, why are, like, it's kind of like when we were on St. Barth's. People are like looking at us like, they shouldn't be able to be here. This is our island. Yeah. It'd be like that, okay? So anyway, look, when the beep goes off, Mama Ivy, I'll be right back over here, okay? So anyway, but G-Soul, Soul Glow, I think it's not going to do anything. You don't know what it's going to do. It was up like 11% and then closed like with the gap fill. I just don't know. It's a crapshoot. Oh, we were going to look at the miners, the Bitcoin miners pre-market. We got... Oh, wait, we don't even have to do pre-market. You know why? Because the ding, ding, ding is coming in seconds. Look at this thing. Wow. It's up 13% pre-market. There it is. Someone ring the freaking bell. All right. $29 Mara. GBDC. Here we are. The highest level seen in many years. Highest level seen since November 2021. Holy crap. Yeah, it's everyone. It's everywhere. It's CleanSpark. Gone. Coinbase. Pumping. Not really pumping. It's like breaking the 150 threshold, which is a big deal. Above 150s, they're going to fill the gap, probably. And that's just great, man. Great news. Okay. Hive up 7%. Meh. Pulling back. Bitfarms, gap up. Iran up 15.6%. Good God, man. Bullish moon, man. This is kind of, you know, a little melt up today. At least today. SDIG. Good God. Imagine day trading. Trying to day trade that. That's just degen rouletting. We are rouletting. We're hitting the slot machine. Who needs coffee? Yeah, I know. Like, my nerves. Yeah, things, wow. Doing great, man. Have you, yeah, inverse circuit breaker stream for sure, dude. I would declare. I do declare. I don't know if Mama Ivy might be pissed off about, hey, I didn't know. Look, all I thought about was Mama Ivy and her happiness. Oh my God, look at this thing. It's going positive. 13% up on the day. Bitcoin, the price of Bitcoin. Multi-year highs as I'm speaking to you.
Look here. Look, listen. Hype in the chat.
51,950. We're doing things. 52,000 looms. We are very, very close. It's good to see a few of y'all. We got a few people here. You know, I think everyone's still sleeping. They don't even know what's happening. But whatever, man. Okay? Tell your friends. We're up, man. We're up, and we're looking at the price action of the corn, the miners. Clean Spark is kind of the best, but you know, you've got Iron is up 18%. Good God, there's not really much here. I just like look at like Clean Spark. Like, why not like see 2069? You know, like history tells you that is going to happen. Like that, there's nothing else to it besides, again, $20 and 70 something cents. We're here for the hype. No, we're here for the tendies, dude. Like, let's be real. There's hype, but there's like money. Oh my God, you know. Have you seen your portfolio today? If not, you should check it. Hive was the trade setup, right? This was the one of all the ones. It was the absolute most brilliant, perfect setup. The framework that is universal, that can be applied to all markets, whether traditional, untraditional, it was there. It was the correction, the pullback, and then the formal back test, buyers defending the zone once and then locally twice. What a great start. I mean, you're talking, what is it up, 25, 30% since that entry? Yeah, like 28%. My God, man, it's something else. There was another one that had nothing to do with crypto, DNA, that was like almost identical. I don't even know what's going on. Is it okay? Nah, not even doing great today, man. Yeah, kind of, I mean, it's up, but, you know, not getting that crypto pop. This is like this is like medical nursing services. But yeah, same type of thing, right? It can be applied to crypto, to stocks, to commodities, you name it, man. Okay, so are we pulling back a little bit on some of these? What about like something like Ethereum E? You know, these are delayed, I think, right? Yeah, delayed. I don't know where it's at, what it's going to be at. You think it's going to be just like up. Probably is up a lot. But yeah, so if Bitcoin's pumping, we got to look at Ethereum. Just looks still sitting at the supply line of this channel. Bro, look at Zeta. This isn't a fraternity. This is not a sorority, dude. Okay, this is not, we're not in college. Wagyu back on the menu, boys. I don't know, man. Would you rather have, we'll do a poll. And on this poll, just remember, you can prepare it as however you want, okay? However you want, man. So, like, I would say if you're gonna eat, if you say yes to caviar, you can have the croquis with the cream fraiche, the onions, the radishes, and the caviar on top. Eat it like that, and it's prepared for you, and you can do it anywhere you want. Okay, so we got a poll going. We don't do many polls, but this one, I think the last poll we did was the Charizard card. Should I buy a Charizard card? And y'all said no, and so I didn't buy the Charizard card. So, you know, this would be thought-provoking early in the morning. Or normally I eat my eggs, but just protein shake here. All right, so Ethereum's trying to break out. Everything else, nothing really too good. Cardano keeps going. My God, it's up 6.24% now. Man, you just gotta like admire like the momentum shift. God, that looks so good, doesn't it? You can't compare Wagyu to caviar, dude. You can. You can. There are caviars that are like, oh, here we go, 52K.
Look here. Look, listen.
Is that a joke? Is that a joke?
Okay, with $52,000 for the first time since late 2021, we've got the screen up, okay? You'll never miss a tick of Bitcoin's price because it's right there, the action screen. Caviar is manly. I don't know what you're talking about, dude. I don't know what world you're living in, but like you can get caviar that is far more expensive than Wagyu. Okay. They don't even know we're making gains. Yeah, we have many memes that are going on right now. Okay, we got people living on Earth. 52K is beyond Earth, in my opinion. This is a caviar dream in my like literally, dude. This is. What about the QTBS? Remember that one, or the QBTS? D-Wave Quantum. How we doing? Oh my God! It is up over 10% today. Yesterday it was up. Day before. Jeez, talk about the harmonic framework. Unbelievable. Brian, yeah, a couple more days like this, you're going to go to St. Barth's for the broccoli. I'm telling you, dude. If you trust me in any capacity, you go to St. Barth's, you go to La Petite, you get the broccoli, and you say, my God, it was worth the entire journey just for this. And you'll be like, Ray was right. He was right. Okay, man, so I don't know what's the fate of the D Quantum. It is Valentine's Day. Electric technology. And then, you know, again, Sol still just sitting up 5%. Meh. Pathetic. Yeah, I don't think anything's like so over dramatically going. ICP kind of. Oh yeah, ICP, man. Wow, like highest price since. What was that, like the 9th? Yeah, the 9th. No, the 10th. Excuse me, 10th of January. Just marching on up there after back testing 981. VeChain's been doing things, right? Of course, we looked at that earlier. It hasn't really changed. ENS is actually having a good day today. After the GoDaddy announcement to the news, it's been all a number go up. You're running out of resistance though. Like you start breaking $25 to $27, it's like boom, $36 to $39. Good God. Yeah, ENS, man. SNX still kind of meh after the pump and dump. IOTA, man, you gotta admire like some of the way, like some of this price action at these levels is freaking brilliant, is it not? Like you just don't know if it's gonna like actually play out, but like you got these ancient levels, like ancient aliens, and they are back testing it so well, and it's almost like it kind of looks like Bitcoin did right here, right when they recaptured 42K, and they just skated it along the level very well. My God, is it not like identical right here and then here? This is the 4 hour on Bitcoin. Identical. Well, you can eat as much caviar as you want, right? That's the thing. Okay, Bitcoin's pulled back a little bit from 52K. Again, man, you can have as much caviar as you want. You eat until you are full. And it takes a lot more caviar. I mean, it takes so much caviar. And again, I'm telling you, you can get full. But I guess people didn't take that into consideration when they... Dude. What is this poll? Would you rather eat Wagyu or high-end caviar? Yes. No. It doesn't work. It literally, this makes no sense. Okay, my bad. My bad, guys. Did y'all just no one even said anything. No one even was like, this poll doesn't make any sense. Y'all are just like, yeah, dude, totally. Yes. It wasn't a joke. It's just too early to be doing pulls. So like the Momo shift here, like you could interpret it the same way as we've been interpreting the other ones, Look, just kind of like that a little bit, but it's really the price action correlating to the level. Where's the beef? I was not trolling. I just thought that, wow. I thought it made sense at the time. It clearly doesn't. All right. Let's look at the Bitcoin ETFs because they're at all-time highs. ArcBay just saw its highest price ever in human history. FBTC, well, not the highest price ever. This one went nuts. It went to $50. Okay, scam. BTCW, all-time highs. Remember we were like all-time lows. Spacebar, all-time lows, all-time highs on Bitco, BTCO, HODL, all-time highs. These are all up collectively around 5%. EasyBC, the worst. Like imagine, hey bro, we're like one of the 12, like we're like the Nazgul, and our ticker makes no sense. EasyBC, definitely boomer. It got boomer written all over it. Okay, here's GBDC, just highest level seed in a long time. Highest level seed since November 2021. Remember November of 2021? Remember that? Yeah, that was like the month where Bitcoin was at $69,000. That month. I remember I was at the BMW dealership that month. I'm like, is this the top? Where am I? It was the top. Okay. Anyway, so 47.87 is the only thing that kind of like makes sense on this one, like the candle opened January 2021 and then April 2021 and then that one back test November 2021. Okay, we still have 80% of y'all saying yes. It's not even close. Okay, BitB. Very close. Didn't quite see the all-time high, from January 11th, but close. Okay, we'll have an alert set up if BitB does something. DeFi just hanging out, no trades, just opened right here, up 5%, near all-time highs. IBIT. Same thing. It's like the same picture as all of them. The bullish abandoned babies, they were there. And then we got Burr up 5%. It's crazy, man. It's crazy. I think timing. No one even knows I'm like, everyone's asleep, man. We had on the stream, this stream right here, the pump had already happened. It was already over. Like we were just hanging out February 12th. I had like nearly 1,000 people watching, and then Bitcoin's up here, but it's like really early in the morning and we only have 560 watching. So it's like, yeah, dude, people are just sleeping, man. Sleep at the wheel. So stocks though, what's going on in the stock market? ACST is just up on, I don't even know. It just is. It's just up. Dang, it's kind of good. It's kind of like, look, one low defending a level from history, and then like two lows that are higher than this. This is the stuff you really want to look for. These are like, and it's like Eve and Adam, double bottom, right? There's such, when you see the price drop and the sellers are unable to retest the low that was defended, that's a sign of strength, man. So it'd be, this looks like, look, sellers trying and they're trying and it's kind of pathetic. And now it's like, look, I mean, they're kind of redefending this level. Dang, this is actually pretty insane down here. This, I know it's pharma. Yeah, you be careful. Pharma's bad, dude. Yeah, they come out, the FDA denial and kills people with cancer. It's over. The thing just gaps down to $1. But I'm talking universally speaking with the framework. This is pretty freaking awesome down. The closer you are at $2, I mean, they got $4 target. Not bad. Anyway, I'm just looking at it because it was like one of your highest gainers today. Okay, Tal Education. Remember, it was the dragon, and it is now the year of the dragon. So they said release the dragon. And Caligon the Black. Yeah. Unreal. Remember, this is and these people do like education for the communist Chinese. No target. I mean, you're looking at gap fills up at like $21. Good God. We're watching Bitcoin. Calm down, everyone. Bitcoin's on the screen. It's not doing anything. We're just kind of looking around at some other assets. Carvana's up today. Dude, oh my God. They're just, this thing's like trend has reversed, and like soon, I guess you're going to $69. Hello? Yeah, Carvana, man. It's like they reversed it. This is exactly what ACST was, like the low, then the two lows, right? And we just talked about this. Ethereum bottomed out this exact same way. The low, then the rally, then the higher lows that confirm there's accumulation, and then here, right? Just going right back to the low, then the two lows, the higher lows. But back testing a key level from 2022, even better, man. So just don't forget, this is like framework stuff. This is good. Stuff you want to see. Applied Materials, that has just been killing it. Off its all-time highs from a couple days ago, just recovering. This is like thinking, okay, man, we could just moon tomorrow. Yeah, AMAT, just this tech, semiconductor stuff. I mean, Netflix is killing it. Nearing all-time. Oh my God, dude. Look at this. It's not all-time highs. I keep thinking this is different. There's just the top of the range, man. Like breaking 575, huge upside potential. So have your alert set up. I can't believe it though. Any more history erasing videos coming out on Netflix, I'm sure. Apparently it pays to erase history. You know what I'm talking about. AMD up 2.2% today. What a recovery. All right. Not really. It's okay. Alright, can you get this right? I think that should be okay right there. Oh yeah, the semiconductors are back, man. They're back, like Nvidia, never left. Currently trading near its highest level ever. If you closed right here today, it would be the highest daily candle close in human history. Why not $800? Probably $800. 3618793. Right, you hear me? When do I ever talk about the 3.618, man? You don't. No one does. No one talks about that. This is the most insane stock. And it all started with what? The framework. Do we need to find it? We could try to find it, man. I mean, just be like, oh, okay, that's just hindsight. It's like, yeah, because it happened already. It's not our fault. God, Nvidia's talked about so much in our community. When was this? Back in December 2022. Okay. Oh, we're gonna find it, man. We will. We got time, dude. What are y'all worried about? I don't know. I gotta figure out how to like search for stuff better on Discord. Okay. I don't even know where I am. So anyway, yeah. How's everyone doing? Are we We having a good morning. Everyone got their coffee and or their tea, depending on where you are in the world. I don't know. A lot of people in England like tea, which is kind of weird. I don't see. It doesn't let you like search for like the way I want. So Bitcoin's back at 52,000 though, so we're gonna make it, man. We're gonna do it. We're gonna do things, right? Is that how it works? We're gonna do things? This is so much easier. Okay, I don't have any issues now finding it. Wow, unbelievable. Okay, here it is. Is momentum shifting on semiconductors? General chat. 3 emojis, by the way. 3 emojis when that was posted. Pathetic. Here it is. Look at it. Is momentum shifting? There it is. There it was. The back test of the levels too from history was so freaking good, man. It was there, dude. The same arrow. Don't you wish? Don't you wish you could go back in time and be like, dang, dude. 168.72. And now it's 736. 168.72. That means NVIDIA in about a year, a little over a year, up 335% since that slanted inverse head and shoulders was painted by the composite man himself. Okay, probably just a bunch of institutions. Pay no attention to the man behind the curtain. VeChain doing things? Yeah, it was doing things, right? For sure. But really, it seems like it's not really a big stock day today because we just looked at some of the big gainers and they're just kind of, they're up like a few percent. Netflix, 3%. Applied Materials, NVIDIA, okay. But like, it is so far right now, the day of the miners, okay? It is the miners. IREN up 19%, hitting its highs the day as I'm speaking to you.
Merit Circle in Crypto tab on Trading View, please.
Merit Circle and Crypto tab. What does that mean? Merit Circle. I'm sure there's. Everyone's just confusing Merit Circle for the stock name Merit Circle too, right? Is that what you're saying? We can look. Blur Exhibit, my alert went off, man. That's a trade setup, right? Wasn't Blur a trade setup that was like amazing? So sorry, you know, like Hive up 10% now. It's doing a lot better. It was only up 6% or something. But yeah, again, beautiful. Hive was the king, man. Still got a ways to go for like targets get hit, but it's brilliant. So what was it he said? Back to Jonathan. Jonathan, any take on the pumpage today? We're gonna make it. Oh no, what was the question? Would you rather eat Wagyu or high-end caviar? Yes or no?
I like turtles.
Correct. Merit Circle. He said crypto. Oh, MC. So you can just tell me MC to the US dollar tether or US dollar. I've been here before. Somehow I have memory of this place. And the only time to really give a crap about Merit Circle was back here in September when buyers were recapturing a level from January 2023. They were reconfirming its validity as support and a higher low here. After in October, when Bitcoin was starting to do things, that was the only time it made sense. How can you trade something that does this? You can't. You can't set up stop losses strategically because you would have gotten stopped out certainly with that scam wick. This is so bad that they say that the volume is not applicable. It says NA. Oh my God, QBTS. QBTS is doing things. Holy crap. Quantum D makes sense on Valentine's Day. So yeah, I'm looking at it, man, and we've been here, but at 188 was a big level, and the next one was $3, 320. Above that was, my God, probably $7 eventually. But yeah, just good luck. How can you trade that? You can't. Unless you like woke up and the wick already happened. You're like, okay, now I'm going to long it instead of a stop loss below like 156. It's just gone, man. Down 2% today. Big resistance, $3, 320. Okay. Thank you for the contribution, Anonymous. I really appreciate it, man. Okay. Pepe's up 13%. What? So we were just looking. Yeah, Sol can't do it. Sol, it's over for Sol, dude. Might as well be trading at $0. Okay. Same with Ethereum. You think they're gonna break this supply line, man? Yeah, I don't know. Wall Street came in at the open about 20 minutes, 30 minutes ago, and they pumped Bitcoin to 52K for the first time in years. And now we're just hovering, elevated. And we're about to enter the 4 hour, the last hour of this 4 hour candle. Some would call it pseudo power hour. Is that true? Once Wild Pony? No, does it really? No, would you rather eat Wagyu or high-end caviar? And the answer is yes. We're gonna make it, man. What, G-Dog, are you talking about in the journal chat? See, I come back to the journal chat for 1 second, and you're talking about that, and I'm just like, what? Okay. Gonna act like I didn't see that. SNX is actually not doing anything. ADA, same price. Nothing's really moving right now. Like outside of what it had been at, you know. And stock market, same thing. SunPower's up, Tal's up, AMAT, Netflix, Nvidia, Square. We hadn't looked at that today. Not really that impressive. Can we get an audio check? Is it okay? 52K on Bitcoin again? Are they revving this thing up? Huh, revving it up, man? Audio's okay. This is one person. Good luck, dude. Rolls Royce was the king, man. You didn't know about Rolls Royce. It looks like, oh my God, it's just so beautiful. G-Dog. Buttery. Uber's moving. Oh yeah, Uber was doing crazy stuff, right? Yeah, Uber Technologies. Yeah, up 10+%. Dude, you can't even make this up, right? You can't make it up. Should have been a piece of bread today. It was just too early. Yeah, dude, you cannot make this up, man. Like the things that were in development, they were there. Like, look at that, dude. Like, you just, huh? They were like back testing the levels, that they were breaking the supply line. It was just everything. And it's just gone now. These M shapes, please invest in yourself. Third Valley too. It's stupid. Stupid in a good way. Yeah, it's so wonderful to see Uber all-time highs. Yeah, have you seen how much it costs to get food delivered or to take a ride places? If you're in New York and you try to Uber, it's like $100 per trip for 5 blocks. Not even kidding. I've been there. I tried it. It was wow. So Uber, hype in the chat. The VIX is wrecked. It's down 8% as it was up at its highest level of the year. Yeah, everything's kind of making a comeback today. Etsy, that was, it was good, then it was bad. But look at this, chat. You understand? I just showed you Uber. Do you get like where Etsy is right now? Like, we'll come back in like 6 months to a year, and you'll be like, dude, that's just hindsight, bro. Like we're staring at like an Uber from months ago. Right now, this is it. Like, if you're gonna long something, this is a trade setup already. I mean, like, that trade setup is still extremely valid. The entry, the stop loss, whatever, and then your target's 150. Like, you have an eventual target of $150 on this asset. The lower low double bottom, but now locally you have a higher low that represents more than before, and like the buyers are confirming the level from history in 2019 is support now. This is literally it. If you want, one could go long here. Not a financial advice, but I'm saying, like, this is where people take longs. This is where they do it right now at this level. $75. Anyone got anything to say about Etsy? Or is it just going to be like 3 emojis? Like Uber, 3 emojis. Okay. Got a chance. Let's have some alerts set up. And then we know Facebook was at all-time highs. It's up today. It's still just elevated. Not much you can do here. It's just low risk, high reward opportunity. Like when you're longing at supports, and especially after supports have been redefended and reconfirmed as valid, like inherently you have maximum upside potential. You just do. Because that means you are furthest away from the next resistance. My God, I have to get some more coffee, man. This is so early, and I've had 2 just muscle destroying workouts in a row. I'm supposed to go back and do legs today somehow after doing the stream this early. Dang, man. Oh. Sorry. No, it's true, man. It's true. It's hard. Okay, it's real hard.
Can devs do something? I have overinvested by a lot. I can't take this anymore.
Since we started out on BitConf, let's go further into crypto.
Oh. Okay. Still waiting on Bitcoin to do something. What a joke. It's only up $2,175 today. Biggest joke I've ever seen, man. Yeah, I mean, we've looked at like all the big gainers stocks, really, outside of, Uber too. And then the miners are freaking ridiculous. ETCG, oh my God. It's not really that big a deal. I just had an alert there, but look at this. Something like ETCG, man, it's crazy. Because like, if they break this $14 level, $13.95 level, like there's just so many things how crazy it could get. And with ETC itself trading above $20, $24 or whatever, and it's already back tested that level as support. What if like Ethereum, using your imagination, just goes to the next real resistance, which is $40? You could easily see some crazy stuff happen on ETCG. It's up 6% today. Okay, Dow Jones, we looked at DNA a little earlier, for sure. Lyft is up 37%. Good God. Wow, unreal, dude. What an insane trip. Tip your Lyft driver. Highest price since February 9th, and an official, I think the gap already filled, but you're already exceeding that. So not much here until like 1830. 1830, then 2150. Wow. I don't know. Some of these miners are kind of pulling back. They're not really like doing like crazy stuff. They like at the open, they were kind of going berserk. Hut, great stuff, man. Highest level since January 11th. You got it across the board, man. Let's just look at the S&P. S&P 500 real quick. Not really doing much. Up 0.58%. Still got a ways to go for the gap fill. It's about the individual assets, isn't it? It's not really about the index funds today. It's never about the index funds. Look at him, say, "Hey man, did you look at like the index funds today?" I'm be like, "Yeah, I did." Dow Jones is a big wet fart, flat, up 0.13%, nothing burger. NASDAQ that had an argument for downside, but it's up 0.7%. Yeah, this thing could extend on, but it's just crazy. I mean, it is. I remember someone yesterday, someone's like, "Dude, what about shorts? What about going short?" It's so tough, man, because this is the most disgusting on the daily, by the way. This is the most disgusting looking RSI you can have. High, higher high, slightly higher high than the previous high, and then they're just lower levels of momentum, lower levels of RSI. I mean, it's like clear continued bearish divergence with the rising wedge pattern. But still, up 0.7% today. That's what I'm saying. It's like really tough to know exact when are they going to flush it? Are they going to do quadruple bearish divergence? They could. Oh my God, we got it. Oh my God, that's a very look, y'all. Look at the new thumbnail. Valentine's Day thumb 2. Thank you, Jalen, if you're watching. Let's change this thing. Starts with a V. Yeah, we got Pepe Cupid. I mean, how brilliant is that? TY. QBTS, do we look back at it since the alert? I don't think so. Captain Tibbets. Oh my God, it's up 24%. I'm gonna... Oh, it feels so good! Wow, dude. Wow. Since the breakout last week, number go up. You hear that, Jalen? The best thumbnails. You did it, man. A household name. And all we can say on Bitcoin is, because now Bitcoin is down over $500, say $600 from its top. I need to get more sleep before leg day. I've served my purpose, man. Okay, we were here for the open. We were here for the positive pandemonium. We're here for QBTS. Dude, it's so nice, man. It's so nice. Dude, and it was just like right here. It was literally like, it was right here. You see it now? Before, after. Before, after. Oh, yeah. All right. Everyone calm down. Ethereum not going to be at 2,800. Sol's not going to 120 for now. Here's Bitcoin on the daily. So it looks like the poll is concluded. And the answer was yes. Overwhelmingly yes. I also vote yes. The Hodge twins? The crypto twins. Yeah, dude. Remember when they were crypto twins? The amount of coffee too, man. This is my last sip. Call me when we're at 70K, I guess. Yeah. And be sure to join the Discord. If you're in here and you're new, you want to join the Discord, man. That's where you get, there's free educational resources. That's where you get notified when I go live. That's where you are connected to like-minded individuals. We all care about traditional technical analysis, and we respect and honor those who put their life's work and research into the fields so we could manage our risk appropriately and make tendies. That's where you go, man. You go to the Discord. Free to join. Free to join in the Discord. I don't know. People vote no. Who are you? Who are the weirdos? 22% that said no. Yeah, the way I did it, it should have been everyone saying yes. But I don't know, man. I've been live an hour and 20. Maybe I go live later when I have more energy. And Bitcoin pumps. I want to check my portfolio too, guys. God. Nothing really. We've just covered everything that's had price action, right? We covered it, and now we're just kind of oscillating. And happy Valentine's Day to everyone. I hope you, I don't know, I hope you enjoy the heavily commercialized holiday. Corporations putting a gun to your head and saying, if you don't buy something for your significant other, we're gonna F up your life. Your life's gonna be ruined for at least a couple days, few days, and maybe we might just destroy your relationship. We're corporations. You better buy something. That's Valentine's Day. To me, in my opinion, that's what it is. Anyone also look at it like that? But that's why maybe why I was pumping today. Why Bitcoin was pumping today, because they know. All right, y'all. Well, hour 20-minute stream at the crack of dawn, and look, man, we see 53K or something, I'll be live like immediately. Yeah, best gift you can get for your SO is like just buying Bitcoin for her. So again, happy Valentine's Day. I'll be back later. I don't know when. Hopefully we can pump later. Until next time, respect the T. Hey.
Wu-Tang! Wu-Tang!
song sucks, man. Dude, it's not even good.
it's my last night. In the earth, in the universe, you make me give you up before you open my heart. I'm the one who you can trust. Come on, let's set it up.
Yeah, I don't know. There's like 200 people watching now, so yeah, I don't think that warrants me coming back. I'm just like over here checking my notes. Yeah, I don't know, man. Doesn't really seem. I think maybe just I go back live later. G-Doc's like 200 people. Like, big ones at multi-year highs. There's probably just other people live. So, yeah, I'll just be back later. Good luck. We're gonna moon 53K.